Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to add image to objects in Blender. I will make it simple. I will add a plan. So we can go to Add, Merge, and add a plan here. A plan is added. Next, we can switch the viewport into two. One is for preview the material. I switch to material preview. Another one, I will switch to shader editor. Next, make sure that we select the objects and then go to shader editor to press new button to add the new material. Closer to it, we can see that principal BSDF shader look is added, and then we can use Shift A and search image texture. Choose it and press enter to add it. I place it here. Next, we can click open and then link your image in your file location. And then I press open image. So the image is imported to the image texture. I go to color, collect to base color. So we can see that the image is added to the plan. Next, if you want to move, rotate or scale the image, we can go to shader editor again, and then I press Shift A and search mapping. Press enter to add it. I place it here. And also we can use Shift A and search texture coordinate. Press enter and place it here and use generates connect to vector of mapping. Vector of mapping connect to vector of image texture. So we can go back to mapping and we can adjust the location in X or Y, and also we can rotate in Z. I go back to 0 to X and Y so we can see the rotation here. And also we can scale it. So this is how we can add image texture in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.